Many parents would love to see their children become geniuses. While you can't make your child a genius overnight, there are certain steps you can take to maximize their potential. First and foremost, you need to provide your child with a stimulating environment. This means exposing them to a wide variety of experiences that can help them learn and grow. Reading to them from a young age, attending museums, and engaging in activities that require problem-solving skills can help your child develop an inquisitive mind. You can also find educational games and activities that can help your child learn. Second, give your child the opportunity to explore their own interests. If your child is particularly interested in a certain subject, then encourage them to pursue it further. Help them find ways to explore their curiosity and find out more. For example, if they enjoy science, you can help them find a local program that offers hands-on science experiments. Third, encourage your child to think critically. Ask them open-ended questions and let them come up with their own answers. This will help them practice problem-solving and critical thinking skills. Additionally, teach your child how to ask questions. This will help them become more curious and analytical. Fourth, provide a healthy diet. Eating healthy foods can help your child's brain to develop more quickly and efficiently. Eating a balanced diet will ensure your child has access to essential vitamins and minerals that will help them learn better. Fifth, get your child outside. Going outside and spending time in nature has been proven to help children become more creative and imaginative. This can help their brain to develop in new and exciting ways. Finally, make sure your child gets enough sleep. Sleep is essential for a child's development and memory. Make sure your child is getting the recommended amount of sleep for their age and that their sleep environment is conducive to restful sleep. In conclusion, making your child a genius is not an easy task, but it is possible. By providing your child with a stimulating environment, encouraging them to explore their interests, teaching them to think critically, providing them with a healthy diet, taking them outside, and making sure they get enough sleep, you can help them reach their full potential. References. 1. Charbonneau, K. 2018. How to Make Your Child a Genius. Parenting. Retrieved April 8, 2021, from https://www.parenting.com/child/genius/. 2. National Sleep Foundation. 2020. How Much Sleep Do Kids Need? Retrieved April 8, 2021, from https://www.sleepfoundation.org/children-and-sleep/how much sleep do kids need. 3. Johansson, C. N.D. 10 Tips for Raising a Genius. Retrieved April 8, 2021, from https://www.sarasotamagazine.com/blog/Sarasota Parenting/10 Tips for Raising a Genius/. 4. Kondrath, S. 2016. 9 Tips to Help Your Kids Become Geniuses. Parentology. Retrieved April 8, 2021, from https://parentology.com/9 Tips Help Kids Become Geniuses/.